This is Old Soldier. This week's episode is a review of the 3,000 watt Black Max portable generator. This can provide portable and emergency electricity for your home or for other uses. The capacity of this generator is 3,000 running watts. It is 3,750 for starting watts. Starting watts are extra watts needed for 2 to 3 seconds to start motor different products like refrigerators, freezers, or circular saws. The 3,750 watt rating is the maximum wattage that this generator can produce, and it can only produce it for relatively short periods of time. I purchased this generator in 2010 at Sam's Club for $300. The true strength of the Black Max generators comes from their engines, which are manufactured by Honda. They are ultimately reliable and sturdy, and with proper maintenance, run extremely well and reliably. Manufacturer instructions recommend that the generator be grounded when it is used. I ground mine to the ground for my house. Be sure to use sufficient width of copper wire. When you shut it down, make sure the engine is off load. It is better to let the fuel lines run dry, not leaving any residue or fuel to come up in your fuel lines or your carburetor. Make sure the generator, when you do this, make sure the generator is not under load. Before starting operating, please read the operator's manual. Folks, I'm no mechanical genius, and if I can do it, 99.9% of you out there can do it. This general's fuel tank capacity is 2.5 gallons. The Black Max 3000 is a portable generator and comes with the wheel and handle kit with hardware. The Black Max generator comes with two 120 volt 20 amp outlets, one 120 volt 30 amp twist lock outlet, and one 120 volt 30 amp RV outlet. The handle is quick release and moves on and off pretty easily. The decibel level for the Black Max 3000 as seen here is about 70 decibels. It's loud. It's hard to have a conversation right next to it. They say it's about the same sound as busy traffic, but I regularly run mine, and you can hardly tell. If you're inside the house and I run it just outside the house, you can hardly even tell it's running. I only use mine outside the house, away from windows and doors. Runtime for the Black Max 3000 at 50% load is approximately 7 hours. I recommend keeping a maintenance log for the generator, and after checking my maintenance log, I originally said that I bought the generator in 2010. That is not true. I bought it in 2014. I run the generator usually once a month, anywhere from 20 minutes to 45 minutes. The Black Max 3000 generator uses 10W30 full synthetic motor oil. If memory serves, it uses approximately only about a pint. The fuel that I put in the Black Max 3000 generator, I stabilize it with stable fuel stabilizer. Like I said, I've had it almost 9 years and I've had zero problems. I've only had to use my Black Max 3000 generator for emergency standby power on 3 occasions for less than an hour. That said, it does give you peace of mind. I have had zero problems with it. Granted, it has only been seen light use and generally runs less than 10 hours a year. That said, I have had it for 9 years with zero issues. The Black Max 3000 portable generator has worked well for me. Take time to read and understand the owner's manual and operate it as directed in guidelines, and you should have zero problems with it. I don't have any experience with customer service because I've had no customer service issues, and to me, that's the best customer service of all. That's my review of the Black Max 3000 generator. Thanks for watching. This is Old Soldier out.